guys, and welcome to another episode of Mbali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. If you've just landed on the channel, please don't be shy to join the Mbali Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button. And also remember, guys, to always keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. As you can tell, today's video is a bit different. Based on my voice, I think you can tell that I'm a bit under the weather, but I thought to myself, content is king, so content must always continue. Plus also, I want to share with you some amazing websites that you can use to find some easy work and therefore be able to get paid online, especially as a beginner. This video is actually inspired by a voice note that I got about 2 weeks ago from a lady who says, you know what, Mbali, I've been watching your videos for a while and eventually I got the courage to quit my job. However, I am now starting other projects outside my job, but would still like to make a bit of extra money online, more on a quick basis from apps and or websites that are willing to pay me money instantly so that I can support myself in the meantime while my other big projects are actually starting up to run. And even though I did respond to a voice note, I thought this was an opportunity for all of us to be able to share with this information, which is why I decided to turn it into an actual video. The first website that we're going to look at, which you can use to get some easy work done and still get paid online instantly, especially as a beginner, is this amazing website called Testerwork. I have mentioned Testerwork in a previous video before, but I thought for the purposes of this video and the reason why we're actually having this video in the first place, it would be a great website to add onto the list. Testerwork is basically an apps testing website. As they say here, you earn money testing apps. You join a community of over 70,000 testers around the globe and earn money testing websites and apps in your free time. Some of the companies whose apps you're actually going to be testing include Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Masterclass, as well as Instagram. All you basically have to do in order for you to be able to start working on Testerwork is first of all to sign up, where you register an account and complete their 3-step Q&A assessment. Number 2, you'll start testing apps and websites. They will send you exclusive invites to join their latest test cycles. They basically have new test cycles starting literally every day, so you'll never run out of work. Number 3, obviously what we're all here for, you are going to then get paid. Once your test cycle is complete, you can relax and enjoy your well-deserved payment. They also list some of the pros and cons on their website as to why you should join their community. Number 1, most important again, is for you to earn money. You'll make money from the bugs that you report and test cycles that you complete. If you're a Q&A professional or only a tech enthusiast, you can increase your income by actually joining Testerwork. Number 2, you gain Q&A skills and experience. By joining the Testerwork community, you'll have access to their exclusive QA resources and will gain experience by testing amazing apps from household names, enabling you to become a better QA tester. The good thing about gaining QA skills is the fact that it will enable you to be able to find it easier to work on other websites which are similar to Testerwork, just like user interviews. So this is definitely a pro that I actually like about the website. Number 3, you get to test when you want on any project, which means you do not have a set schedule for you to work on Testerwork, which is why it's an amazing website for somebody who feels like I'm trying to juggle a lot of things in my life right now, but I would still like to make a bit of extra money on the side. You can test in your free time, making your own work schedule, test on as many available projects you want from every industry whenever you are available. And then lastly, you get exclusive access to Testathon. Whatever Testathon is, if I'm being honest, I'm not really sure what it is, but if you're somebody who's into the hackathons and the marathons that people do on IT, then you can read up more on that they're willing to offer you. But Testerwork is one of the websites that you can use in order for you to be able to find some easy work online and actually start getting paid instantly. The next website that we're going to look at if you're looking for some easy work to do and get paid online as a beginner is for you to join Swagbucks. This is definitely one of my favorite online companies that are actually willing to pay you instantly for just doing a few tasks. What I also like about them is the fact that it's absolutely free for you to join. You can either join using Google, using Apple, or with just your regular email by actually creating an account. Before we can create the account, we'd actually like to find out more about how Swagbucks actually works. The website says after signing up, you're going to tell them more about yourself in order to get personalized offers. This is something that I actually emphasize quite a bit in videos like this, to say you need to be able to tell the website a bit more about yourself once you have registered an account. As part of building your profile on the website, you're going to have to answer questions about your hobbies, about maybe books you like reading, about the products that you like using, etc. This allows the website to be able to bring to you the correct offers that are going to be suitable for your either kind of expertise, hobbies, etc. so that you don't spend a lot of time just trying to try every other survey. I actually like this about Swagbucks. Not only that, you're going to be able to redeem gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon as well as Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal if you're somebody who is in a country that does not have the shops. Now that we know how Swagbucks works, I'd like us to find out more about the ways in which you can actually start making money for yourself online. The first way to make money on Swagbucks is for you to get paid answering surveys. You share your opinions by completing online surveys to earn some extra cash. Whether it's single question polls or 30-minute market research questionnaires, there's always time for you to be able to earn Swagbucks. The second way that you can actually make money on Swagbucks is through cashback shopping online and in store. Swagbucks is one of the most extensive shopping rewards programs on the internet. You're going to find coupons, promo codes, deals, as well as cashback offers to your favorite stores. You can combine this with your preferred credit card in order for you to earn additional cashback. The last way that you're going to be able to make money online on Swagbucks is through entertainment. Whether you're going to be browsing websites, playing games from their popular Swagbucks Daily Trivia app, you can get paid just to play games. You can also get paid to create or discover the latest short videos on their app called Swagit. So as you can tell, there's various ways for you to be able to make money on a platform like Swagbucks, so I'm sure there are opportunities for everyone around the world. Not only that, when it comes to the cashback opportunities online and or in store, these are some of the merchants that they work with, and some of them are actually very popular brands, international brands such as Amazon, Kohl's, Lowe's, Sephora, Nike, Disney Shop, Old Navy, etc. That are some of the partners that they partner with in order for them to be able to pay you just on a cashback basis onto your credit card, giving you back money that you can actually use in order for you to be able to make a bit of extra money online as well. In addition, Swagbucks is also available for your smartphone, so if you have an Android and or even an Apple phone, you're eligible for you to download their app online in order for you to get started on your journey to making money online. All you have to do to join Swagbucks is for you to click the sign up button here, register an account, build your profile on their website, and then wait for them to send you offers that are in relation to the kind of profile that you would have created. But if you're looking for a website that is easy to work on and gets you paid money instantly, especially as a beginner, then I'd definitely look into Swagbucks. PaulPay is another get paid to website that you can use to find some easy work online and actually get paid instantly. PaulPay is basically a surveys website that says you're going to get paid for taking surveys, submitting receipts, and or playing games. So as you can tell, there's 3 different ways for you to be able to make money online with PaulPay. Joining the website is absolutely free, and they will even give you 500 coins as a bonus, which obviously will then account to the amount of money that you're actually going to make on their website. We're going to read more about how PaulPay works. They said here briefly, brands pay them for consumer input, which is basically where you come in. Then they recruit members just like yourself once you've actually registered an account with them. Then you do online activities such as paid surveys, trying new apps, exploring new products and services, playing games, as well as many more, in order for you to be able to earn some real cash online on their website. How you're going to earn this free cash? Number 1, as I said, you're going to get paid for taking surveys. Most online surveys for money pay from 50 to 500 coins and take about 3 to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online servers that pay all the way to 1,000 and or 2,000 coins or even more if you match the demographic profile, which again goes back to my point of making sure that you create a profile that is beefy, that they can relate to by giving them as much information as you can. And quite honestly, none of the building of the profiles ever require you to overshare like super personal information. It's just basic information about your everyday life in order for them obviously to be able to place you in the right demographic profile to get as many surveys as possible. Taking branded surveys for money is a fun and popular way in order for you to earn. I mean, quite honestly, who doesn't want to earn money taking surveys in their opinions? And this is actually something that you can be doing in your spare time if you're actually somebody who's either at work and or who's an entrepreneur but still wants to make, say, maybe anything between $5 to $10 on a daily basis. Secondly, you're going to get rewarded for playing games. They feature a wide array of mobile games where you can earn coins by reaching specific levels. The more you play, the more you can earn. And there's a lot of people that are always playing games on their phones, but they do not get paid. So PaulPay is definitely one of the websites that I'll check out in order for you to actually start getting paid for you to play those games on your phone. The third way is for you to get grocery cash rewards. This might unfortunately not be able to apply to us because you find that some of the shops that they list on on their website are shops that are actually not available in Africa, but still I think it's worth noting. You can earn cash for grocery shopping, get access to great cashback deals for purchasing your favorite supermarket products, and you earn money as well for scanning your receipts or trying featured deals. And some of the partners that you may find we know include Netflix, Target, H&R Block, Walmart, Pitchseat.com, just as some of the partners that they work with. So obviously for us, I recognize Netflix, for example. If Netflix has surveys and or maybe an app type of thing that they want us to test, that they want to now input onto their Netflix website, then they'll probably come onto a platform like PaulPay to find people just like you who are willing to participate in these small tasks in order for you to be able to give feedback to them and therefore get paid for your efforts. You can read more about how PayPal makes it simple for you to earn money online when you come to their website. But in order for you to be able to start making money on a website like PayPal, you will be required to click the sign up button now and create a profile for yourself. But I just think it's one of the easiest websites in order for you to be able to log in or create an account, find some easy work, and actually get paid money online instantly. Another one of my favorite websites that you can check out in order for you to find some easy work and actually get paid online is called GrabPoints. On GrabPoints, you basically make money for you to watch videos, to take surveys, as well as to play games. We're going to find out more all about this as we go through the video. But before we can do that, I just want us to know more about how GrabPoints actually works. GrabPoints say you can convert your time into cash as well as gift cards. Number one, obviously, you have to sign up by creating an account and completing your profile in order to earn your first reward. Secondly, you're going to earn points through answering surveys, watching videos, downloading apps, etc., and maybe even playing some games just on your phone. Then number three, of course, you're going to cash out. You're going to choose from hundreds of cash as well as gift cards from the rewards shop. So if you want to get paid in cash, that is also possible on GrabPoints. But if you want to get paid in rewards and gift cards, then you can take that option. They have now partnered with some of the brands that we also know here in South Africa. As you can see, there's Uber Eats as well as Uber. So if you're able to create as many points as possible and you feel like, you know what, I don't really need them to be cash, I actually want to allocate the money that I'm making on GrabPoints to other aspects of my life, whether it's eating out and or it's actually transportation, then you can convert your points into rewards for any of these companies in order for you to be able to enjoy them. To find out more about how GrabPoints work, we're actually going to click this End tab that is going to take us more in depth about how you can actually start making money. As mentioned on their websites, you're going to be able to make money taking some surveys. And as you can see, there's different surveys online that you can actually take, and they actually have the different points that are called GrabPoints that you can actually gain from you taking the surveys. What I like about them is the fact that not only do they have the point system, because I know how sometimes points can be confusing as to how much you're actually going to be getting paid, they also do state the actual amount of money that you're going to get paid for a survey. You can get paid anything between $2.6, $2.75, maybe even 83 cents, $1.35, etc. So there's different surveys as well as the different times that is going to take you for you to be able to complete the surveys. I actually think GrabPoints is one of the most transparent websites that you can work on for this kind of work because of that. Not only that, there are offers that you're going to get that involve either you playing games online and or downloading apps, etc. And even though they do have these monies that they've put here, like this $335, I do want us to be aware of the fact that in order for you to even make this kind of money on an offer on GrabPoints, you would possibly have to play the games to all the different levels that they actually want you to play. But if you are somebody who feels like, you know what, I can only play maybe from level 1 all the way to level 10, you might find yourself making slightly less than this, but still you would be able to make a bit of money. So it's not like if you don't reach the highest level, all your money disappears. You will be gaining money as and when you are playing, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's the money that you're actually going to get paid into your account on GrabPoints for you to decide whether you want to send it into your PayPal account or you actually want to redeem it for some free gift cards. So if you feel like you're looking for an easy way for you to be able to make money online, and again, these are things that you can actually do in between your day on a daily basis, whether you have a full-time job, whether you're a full-time student, or whether you're an entrepreneur who finds that sometimes, you know what, on a bad day, you're sitting at home, there's not a lot of hustling that is happening. And I know this from experience. You can actually spend your time on websites like Grab Points as well as the other websites that I've mentioned in this video in order for you to be able to make some easy money online and actually get paid. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of our video. I do hope that you found this video valuable. If so, please just reward me by hitting that like button so that this video can do well on YouTube. And if you haven't already, don't be shy, just hit the subscribe button and join the Mbali Talks community. And also, especially important, make sure to keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.